Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I'll be reacting to another Woody Woodpecker cartoon. This one is going to be Woody Woodpecker. That's the name of the episode from 1941. So yeah, let's get into it. And I believe that this is the first one right after the other one with the Andy Panda, the Knock Knock episode, right? Oh, there's Woody. Yeah, it's definitely Woody right there. Taking all those holes, yeah.
Guess who?
It's Woody. All right, there he is. Hey. Oh, well, there. I think they're right.
That's me. That's what I'm cracked up to be.
Okay.
A hole in every tree. Knock on wood.
Okay.
Well,
knock on wood. Oh, you knock on the wood, all right.
So what can I do?
Right, so what? You're crazy.
Hey,
So am I. Oh.
Go lay an egg.
Go lay an egg. Oh, he laid an egg on you.
You
All right,
can't do
Woody.
that to me. What
You can't do that to me.
Come down and fight like a man.
Oh, you shouldn't have said that.
Oh, shut up.
Oh, don't fight with him.
So?
He says so.
So.
The big owl says so. The big tough
Oh,
owl.
yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, okay. Right, Woody, get away from him. Oh, Woody, he's seeing himself.
Ganging up on me, huh?
Gang
I'll
up
show
on
you.
me.
Put 'em up. You all look alike to me.
They're all yourself.
Crazy. Boy, is he a screwball.
He is.
Nutty. Yeah, he's slap happy.
Yeah, he's that happy. I agree. He's fighting with himself. Like, yeah, I think he's a little crazy. Everybody's talking about him. They're talking about
Yeah,
you.
that's right. He's crazy, all right.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right.
Right, at least he knows it.
Locked up.
Right.
Woodpecker's crazy as a loon.
He's crazy as a loon.
Said it.
You said it.
About whom were you referring? About whom?
You. That's
Think you're crazy. Yeah, you got some screws loose.
Definitely.
So I've got some screws loose.
I think they're
Now
right.
watch this.
Oh yeah. Oh, you got some screws loose. Oh wow. Oh, that looks beautiful. That is beautiful. He's talented. What?
How am I doing?
Oh, you're doing pretty crazy.
You're crazy.
Right. Oh, what did
You're
it
so
say?
smart. Let's see what you can do to that tree.
What tree? Oh, Spirit of the Woods. That's not a real tree.
The cinch.
It's a cinch? I don't think it is. Oh, right. That's not a real tree. Oh, Woody. Ouch. That had to have hurt real bad.
See? We told you you're crazy.
Right. You're screwy. You're
Get your
nuts.
head examined.
Get your head examined.
Psychiatrist.
Okay. I mean, I don't know.
Crazy. Maybe I'd better see a
You are, but there's nothing wrong with that.
I'll go see a doctor.
A doctor, right. It's like a sky. I'll just see a doctor. Dr. Horace N Buggy. A-E-I-O-U and sometimes Y. Okay, greetings, Gate. It's let's operate. Office hours 10:52 to 10:53. He only works a minute a day. All right, Horace N Buggy. We'll see. Ring bell for doctor. Okay, oh, that's it. There's a doctor. What are you doing? Okay. What? There's a whip. What?
Again. What a night.
What a night. He's a
I
little
saw them do
crazy.
this in the movies.
You saw him do it in the movies. Good.
How are you, laddie boy?
But you're not operating on anybody, doctor. Oh, wow. He's just as crazy. Woody might have met his match in this doctor. He they could be good friends.
Any similarity between me and the doctor is purely accidental.
Oh, just stop it. Any similarity between me and the doctor is purely incidental. I can see that, sir. I can see that. Oh, he's just as crazy. Oh,
I think this guy's balmy.
Who are you talking about? You're one to talk, Woody.
Sit down, stand up, bend over, straighten up, open your mouth, close your mouth, stick out your tongue, say ah, rub your head, pat your foot.
Pat your foot.
Habit forming, isn't it?
I bet it is.
Now I give you the equilibrium test.
The equilibrium test? That is not a test, sir. You're gonna make him dizzy. Oh, he disappeared. Where'd he go, sir? Right. He made him disappear. Oh, there's Woody. He's knocking.
Hi, Doc. Remember
Hi,
me?
Doc. Right. You're Woody.
That's very funny.
It was funny.
Well, I didn't like it, see?
I can see. Hey,
Now
love.
read that line.
Foster.
Can't see a thing, Doc.
There you go. Now you
I'll
can.
bet you can see it now.
No, it's either
Which
closed.
I can't neither.
Which I can't either. It's either closed.
Open your eyes.
Right, then open your... Exactly.
I can see. I can see.
Yes, you can see. You can see. Right.
You're wonderful.
Yes, he is. Oh, it's hilarious. I love that. What he's like, no, I can't see anything. I can't see. Then open your eyes. Right. I love how we put it closer, but the problem was, Doctor, right? He had his eyes closed. That's the thing. Oh, Woody. Yeah, Woody might be crazier than the doctor. Come on through there. He's swimming in the carpet. In the rug. Wow. Oh, he's going after. Oh, he came out through the picture.
Didn't mind him, folks. He's crazy.
Right. So are you?
Aye, he's crazy, but I'm alright.
Oh, are you? No,
Or am I?
no, you're not. No, you're not. You're just as crazy. You're just as crazy. You're just as crazy. Right?
Doctor sure is a card, isn't he? But I don't think he's near as funny as the woodpecker. Do you think so, mister, huh? Do you, mister, huh?
Oh, this is hilarious. So, right, they took him out of the... So, this is a fourth pot break here. This is the audience watching the film, right? Because he went out of the doctor's office through the movie the screen, right, and into the theater. Right, Woody. And I think, of course, you like the woodpecker better. That's you. I'm gonna go back.
I don't think he's near as funny as the woodpecker. Do you think so,
Right.
mister, huh? Do you, mister, huh? I like cartoons. Don't you like cartoons?
I like cartoons. I love cartoons. Oh, I guess that's a no. Right. You didn't have to do that. Oh, that was awesome. I love that. Really good, really good. Definitely no complaints at all. Oh, they're just, a great cartoon. Great Woody Woodpecker cartoon. That doctor was very funny too. Oh, very, very funny. Definitely no complaints. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.